Ever wonder why the US is the world's playground for wealth? In 1950, we were the world's factory. In 2000, we were the world's brain. And in 2026, we're becoming both. If you want to build a foundation for financial freedom, you need to understand this 75-year loop. After World War II, the British Empire was exhausted and in debt. Meanwhile, the US productive machine was untouchable. By 1950, we officially replaced Britain as the world's economic superpower. We made the steel, the cars, and the appliances the whole world wanted. This was the golden age of American manufacturing. But by the 1970s and 80s, the world changed. Labor became cheaper overseas. Producers began moving factories to Mexico and later China to save costs. This was the birth of globalization. The blue-collar factory jobs left, and for a while, people thought the US economy was hollowing out. But something else was happening in the background. As the factories left, the US doubled down on intellectual property. We stopped being the hands and became the brain. We built the internet, the software, and the silicon chips. This created a global technology hub where companies like Apple and Microsoft could design a product once and sell it to 8 billion people. This is the hidden engine inside the QQQ, global profit with American innovation. So why is the president bringing manufacturing back now? Because we realize that being just the brain is risky if you don't control the supply chain. Through new tariffs and massive incentives like the One Big Beautiful Bill, the US is reshoring critical manufacturing like semiconductors and AI hardware. We aren't just bringing back old jobs, we are building AI-powered mega factories. The 1950s was about steel, 2026 is about silicon. The wealth is still compounding, it's just moved from the assembly line to the algorithm. Stop timing the market and start holding the future. Follow for more on your path to financial freedom.